this question. If the arcs of same length in two circles subtend angles of 30° and 45° at their centers, then find the ratio of their radii. So here two circles and their arc length is same, but the angle is different. So this is a simple thing. We have given that the arc length L is same for both the circles. So this is the main important thing you need to note down. And here for first circle, we know that L is equal to R1 theta 1. And for second circle, L is equal to R2 theta 2. So you just, because both length are equal, we can equate this one. That means R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2, or take the ratio as R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. So just cross multiply it. We want to find out the ratio of R1 is to R2. So here R1 by R2, what we will get? 45 by 30, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So therefore R1 is to R2 is equal to 3 by 2. Very simple question.